Hi, so I'm going to show you the famous TikTok washing machine, portable machine. I'll show you how it works. So it's a very small, compact washing machine. It has the washing side, and it also has the dryer side, which just spins and gets rid of all the water. So once you start filling it up, and then you can add your clothes. It also has this thing that you have to take out every time you're gonna do a new wash. You have to clean it out. All you have to do is fill it up, connect it to the light, and it also has this thing so you connect to the water hose, but I like to fill it up with buckets of water. So I will be adding my soap just on the top. And then I'll start adding my clothes. So then I'll just start adding clothes. So I've added my clothes, and make sure not to overfill it. So all you do is just close the lid, and you just put the machine to 35 minutes. To my liking, it does make noise, since it said it was not noisy at all. And then it just starts spinning for 35 minutes. So I just store it in my bathroom. It's a really small bathroom, and it fits perfectly. It doesn't get in the way or anything. So the cycle has finished, and as you can see, it still has soap. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drain it from over here. It has the hose, and you just put it in a bucket. And then you push, drain. What I like to do is add another bucket of water with 15 minutes so it can rinse out all the soap, and then put it in the spinner. So the rinsing cycle is done, so I'm gonna drain it and then put them in the spinner. So once you load your clothes on the spinner, you just add this plastic thing so you can keep things good in there. You just close the lid, and then you can add 3 minutes. The timer on the spinner is finished now. And the clothes comes out like this. It doesn't drip at all, and then just in case it needs a little more, you can just keep adding time. And all I do is just put it on a hanger and air dry it. So this is pretty much how it came out. It's pretty dry. So all I do is just hang it on this rack I have and let it air dry. So I'll be leaving a link for the washer, and also I can try and put like a picture of it from Amazon if you guys would like to purchase it. Thank you guys for watching.